Rip Van Winkle by Washington Irving. Washington Irving. Washington Irving was an American short story writer, essayist, and historian. He was born on 3 April 1783 in Manhattan, New York. He was an interested student who preferred adventure stories and dramas. He began writing letters to the New York Morning Chronicle in 1802 under the pseudonym Jonathan Oldstyle. He was one of the first American writers to earn acclaim in Europe. Died on 28 November 1859. Rip Van Winkle. Published in the Sketchbook of Geoffrey Crayon, Gent in 1819. The story is based on German folk tale. Indicates the change of time, the social and political changes. Explores the freedom and independence. Summary. The writer starts the story by introducing the Catskill Mountains. It is a part of the Appalachians near the Hudson River. It appears ever-changing with time and weather. Locals consider them natural weather predictors and admire their beautiful evening colors. At the foot of these mountains lies a small Dutch village, established during Peter Stuyvesant's time. The houses there are made of yellow bricks from Holland. Rip was kind, gentle, and well-liked man of noble Dutch descent. He is lazy and henpecked by his nagging wife. He avoided his own work but eagerly helped neighbors. Children loved him, and even dogs never barked at him. Rip neglected his farm, which became the worst in the area, and his family looked unkempt and poor. He found peace in nature and at the village inn with idle villagers discussing old news and politics. To escape his wife's scolding, Rip often wandered in the woods with his loyal dog, Wolf. One autumn afternoon, he climbed deep into the mountains to hunt and rested at a scenic spot. There, he met a strange man in old Dutch clothing carrying a keg of liquor. Rip helped him silently to a hidden amphitheater. Rip saw a silent group playing ninepins. He served them drinks from the keg. He tasted it himself and fell into a deep sleep. Rip woke the next day on the same hill and was confused. Wolf was gone. When he returned to the valley, it had vanished. The valley was replaced by a rocky waterfall. He descended to the village, shocked to see strange faces, new fashion, and no one recognizing him. His house was abandoned, then replaced with a new one, and people spoke of liberty instead of the king. Searching for familiar faces, he learned many friends were dead or changed. He finally saw someone like his younger self. A woman with a child turned out to be his daughter Judith, who said Rip had vanished 20 years ago. She revealed his wife had died recently. Rip announced his identity, and an old woman confirmed it. Rip told his story, some believed him, others thought him mad. The village elder Peter Vanderdonk confirmed legends of ghostly Dutchmen led by Hendrik Hudson playing ninepins every 20 years. Rip lived with his daughter peacefully, free from his wife's nagging, and resumed his idle life. He became a beloved storyteller, a local figure, and a symbol of escape for henpecked husbands. For more videos, like, share, subscribe. Thank you.